this is taking one linear application. Yes. I'm going to write the prompts. Let us say I'm going first I'm going to write prompt. Let me I'll show that. Okay. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to give plan to the ChatGPT or something. I'm planning to give a solution presentation of linear regression usage in this is the one. As a part of my demo, following are the scope of the identification of the use cases. Is the one. What is the scope? Applications in business, you are supposed to do it. This is the one you are supposed to copy from the business, from that. I'm copying here. Okay. So okay. Now I need to suggest the simple use cases for the business domains. I'm writing only. Otherwise, you give number. Okay. Now I need suggest. I need to. Okay. I need you suggest the for business domains. Is e-commerce. Another one is who is partially and C is insurance. Okay. Credit cards. These are my domain names. I'm going to copy the same type. You also test. Okay. And prepare a document. Like here, what I'm see what I'm doing. I'm going to copy. Let me see what's it. You're right. Very detailed prompt. Good. What is your real requirement?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes.
it is given an e-commerce event forecasting, customer life value prediction, okay, cost selling, price estimation, sales prediction, fraud detection, credit cards. Okay. Let me copy your code. You're able to see, right? For document. Okay. Now, this is the one actually given by Copilot. Now, what it is saying, e-commerce demand forecasting, you can see, predicting future demand for various products based on historical sales data, which helps in inventory management and avoiding stocks or overstock. Now, I want to take one of the domains. Let us say, now, I don't want to do your domain areas. I want to take a different domain and I will show you. Now, let me take this. Okay, I will write a prompt. I want to work on this use case for my linear presentation, solution presentation. Okay, this is the one. Copy that of course. Okay. You're running the ChatGPT faculty, I believe. You're practicing it. Are you doing or not? I need a confirmation from each of you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Whatever prompts I'm giving to you, you need to copy immediately and get the solution, dump that output into Word file like what I have created here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What are you doing?
Yes, sir. I copied.
Sir, means we are using Chat GPT or Copilot.
Anything you use, you 50% stability. Okay, for my desire, I'm using Copilot. It is simple for me. Okay. Now you can use ChatGPT also, but you prepare a document for prompt sequence. Okay. See, I'm highlighting my prompts, whatever I have written, my Copilot. Okay. How to do that? Oh, you highlight your prompts. Okay. Then
Yes.
later you document. You document, then you can go to in future. It doesn't mean this work is going to be in vain. You're going to reuse it. Okay. You have to follow some methodology, right? The future easy work. Otherwise, if you are being like others, what is the difference between you and others? What way? Okay. Now, if you see my outcome for e-commerce site, you are able to see my document, right? Demand forecasting is a
Yes.
powerful application of regression in business. It is a step-by-step guide to help you prepare your presentation on this use case. Introduction to demand forecasting. You are defining like this. Okay. Then understanding linear regression. Explain the linear regression. You don't need to use much formulas here. Okay. Simple formulas you can use it like this. Okay. Then data collection and preparation. Historical sales data cleaning. Okay. Then building linear regression model. Feature selection, model training, model evaluation. Making predicting feature demand. Visualization is there. Okay. Then business implications. Then conclusion. These are the process steps it has given. Now, what I am going to do, uh, I'm not going to ask about introduction about demand, understanding linear regression also. I don't want. I'm worried about my data. Okay. Now, what I'm going to write is on the bottom. Please guide me on this step. Correct. Like layer. Okay. Now, even is the prompt. Copy it, execute it, and see the result. It's given right. all the data layouts. Ravi,
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. I am also doing here, sir.
putting which tool? ChatGPT or this one?
Sir, I am using Copilot only.
Okay, no problem. Okay. But you see here, my output is like this. It says data collection and preparation, collect historical sales data. What it is, this is the record of all sales transactions over a period of time. Where to get it? Your company sales databases, Excel sheets, or any other software that tracks sales. But in reality, for this project, don't go for your real data. Use the dummy data. Dummy data which can be created through Python. Okay? What to look for? Gather information such as dates, sales, quantity, sold, product categories, prices, and any other relevant details. Clean the data. Why clean it? Raw data can have errors like duplicate records, missing values, and incorrect entries. Cleaning ensures your analysis is accurate. Okay, how to clean it? Remove duplicates, fill or remove missing values, correct errors. Then organize the data. Why organize it? Well structured data is easier to work with. How to organize it? So make sure all dates follow the same format. DDMM like that American Indian standard. Okay, American standard is MMDD 4 wise.
Yes.
So British is equal of Indian date format. Okay, European standard. So there are some standards. For them also you need to do like this in the data. Then categorize, break down into meaningful categories. Feature selection, what it is. Identify the variables and that will help in making predictions. Yes, obviously. Key features to consider to capture trends over time. Then quantities one. Okay. All these are there. Separate data for analysis. Yes. So this is the overall solution plan. It is a plan it has given to implement the solution design. Okay. So what you need
Yes.
to do? You got the similar one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm going to ask her for some solutions. What are the solutions I need? So here, write one prompt because I don't have data ready-made. I need to create some text data. Okay. So I'm writing a prompt. I need to one minute. Okay. Each activity wise, I'm going to write some prompts. I will keep create a of using live this data. We have data privacy. Okay. For this activity, create the test data, then this is the one you are supposed to do it. So it will give the layout, data layout for each file, for each step. Okay. Are you getting, Ravi?
Yes, sir. But I'm not getting as you get. I get another one. So
Use the same prompt.
yes, sir, yes, I using same count.
If Copilot is slow, you close the session and reuse it, reopen it. Okay. Sometimes what happens, Copilot is busy in night timings. US वाला use करेगा ना.
Yes, sir. Sir,
वही prompt इस session में डालना, इस session में डालना, क्योंकि वो you tried it.
sir, please you share this document to us, sir. This which you created.
I'll share it here, but you need to practice the prompts, sir. Otherwise, how
Yes,
I'm
sir.
typing
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. But yes,
Like
yes,
lab
sir. I
session
will.
में
I practice.
अभी
Yes, sir. Yes, I
अभी
practice.
practice करना है. Practice करके
Yes, sir. अभी कर रहा हूँ, sir.
to
Yes, sir. मैं
understand the
practice.
process, what process I am expecting you guys to implement it in your
Okay, sir.
future things. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Otherwise, you will
that's
do
why
like
I'm.
what you like it, what you want to present it. It's not that way. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes. So that's why I'm asking this document. So I will follow this.
Whatever I am doing exercise, parallel you guys should do yourself. And so don't wait for my document. You got the solution, what I am getting the solution, same way. Then you keep copying, prepare the document. The same way you need to prepare your document in future for your each algorithm process,
Yes, sir. Yes.
solution presentation. Okay. Now you see here, I have copied it, the output. My Copilot was not working, I closed it, I reopened it. Then it is working. See, there are so many minor activities you need to understand here, this process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
Now test data design plan, data creation and preparation, define scope, requirement, objective, all these things, key features. Okay, it has given the layouts of data layouts. Now it has given so many tables, so many data content. Now I have a question that okay, you have given any data items. Can you list the slide data tables or yeah, I'm going to do this. Then it should list technically for data sets. Then you can plan. Yes. Okay. You will execute the same thing. Ravi, don't wait for my document. You keep practicing now itself. If you don't do that, if you wait for the document, yes, I'll share the document. बाद में आपको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा डॉक्यूमेंट देखने के लिए.
नहीं सर, मुझे इसके लिए देखने पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जिस तरह से मीन्स आप बता रहे ना सर, मुझे वैसे ही फॉलो करना पड़ेगा सर. इसलिए सर मैं देखूंगा वैसे.
Prompts like I'm giving the prompts, a prompt stage by stage. You execute them and
Yes.
use your solution for this
Yes, but
use case. The same way you need to plan your use cases. I have written the methodology steps, detailed
yes sir.
steps how to use a prompt and how to plan it. This kind of projects for solution demo के लिए to implement the linear, I mean the algorithm. Any algorithm is the same process.
Yes, our same result is not outcome, na, sir. So that's why I'm asking.
No outcome will be. It need not be same. You use the tool. Basically, how to use the tool, how to get the prompts. I'm training you guys. You need to
Yes
practice.
sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. So that okay sir.
क्या होता है?
Okay, sir.
मुझे ये prompt आया, ये पूछा था. Yes, if you are not following the whatever I am highlighting in the document, those are my prompts I have given. Not you. You need to copy those prompts in your documents.
Excel.
Okay?
Excel. Yes sir. Yes sir.
The tables I asked. Sales data is the table. Then promotions data is the table. Then sales data, seasonal data is table. Product information data is table. See, summary is sales data, promotion data, seasonal data, product information. Now, even if you see the past outcome of this one, it has got a lot of data bases. So finally, it is concluding table forms, data tables. Now, what I am going to do, I want the certificate or anything. If you conclude above tables or data sets are finalized by test data, I need to get data get set. I 500 parts in the records in files. Write a Python for the same requirement with detailed documentation, the script for each code snippet. मालूम हुआ?
Yes, sir.
हम कॉपी करना आपको because I am giving thought process to create the particular records. Then it is going to come back. Okay.
Yes.
आपको पहचान स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगा. Okay. So therefore, I'll share this particular screen also, but because I know you are getting that, but in the Python also. Okay. Now you see that here is a detailed Python script that gets synthetic test data for your demand forecasting. The script will create at least 500 records for the same appropriate records for other tables. Yes, obviously. The first one is input libraries, pandas is required, numpy is required, date library is required. Okay, then random function is required to generate the data, test data. Set random seed for reproducibility. Yes, a very part first create it. Then define data date range for sales data. Yes, it is taking the date range. First January 24 to 31st December 2024. 1 year data it is taking. Okay. Then generate sales data. Number of records required at least 500. Yes. Then it is giving number of records here 500 to generate by this function, previous function. Okay. Generate random sales data. This is the code. What is creating? What are the table content? Sales data and date, product ID, product category, sales quantity, price. Then later going to create data frame for sales. So sales data file has got frame data frames. These data frames are going in the Python itself because data frames are sitting in the memory system of a laptop or virtual machine from memory. Okay. Generate promotions data. Generate random promotion rates, discount percentage. So what it is doing is creating the promotion data with date, promotion type, discount percentage. This the promotion schemes campaign these are decided. So it is creating these kind of things. Then the promotion data. Then create data frame for promotion data. Yes, as it is created earlier. The same way for this file also, promotion data frame is required to process within the system. Generate seasonal data, define seasonal events and their dates. So, what are the seasons you need to campaign? You can't campaign when demand is not there, when there is no festival season or special occasions. So here are the US standard wise it is designed it. New Year, then Valentine's Day, Easter, summer sale, back to school, Halloween, Black Friday, Christmas. So these are the areas also defined it, seasonal events. Now create data frame for seasonal data. Yes, you need to create the data frame once the data is designed it. Okay. Then generate prompt information data. Define product information. So product information contains product ID, product name, product category. Because this is very important. Product database should be there. Categories. Okay. Then create data frame for product information. Then later you're saving the data frames to sales because you need the data to download. All the data frames are created within the memory of the system and RAM. Then you are going to save them into single files, into CSV files. So sales data is there, then product it is released from the data. The purpose of the data frames creation is to process in the memory, download it to the memory, uh, random data created. Then later on, it is saving the data frames in CSV file. That's the outcome. Then finally, this files in the first few rows of these data frames. These few rows it displays it. You need to understand from each file what data is created. But you have downloadable CSV files which have got 500 records as per the specification. So this is the test data creation Python script where you need to create. Okay.
Okay, sir.
आपको मालूम हो अभी प्रोसेस टेस्ट डेटा के लिए
Yes, sir.
it varies use cases. You need to understand the logic how to design this kind of system. Okay. Okay. Now अभी टेस्ट डेटा हो गया. टेस्ट डेटा होने के बाद what that what we do, you have another class, right? And stop recording for now.